Hey everyone, so I just got out of the shower and I was about to do my makeup routine. So I just thought of making a video and sharing it with you guys. It's an everyday makeup routine. So obviously it's not very fancy, it does not have a lot of products, it does not have a lot of steps. Yeah, it's quite simple and I hope you guys like it. So I've already prepped my face, and so I will be using this BB cream by Garnier. So I'll just take some of the BB cream, and I don't need makeup sponge. I am not using a makeup brush for it. I will be using my fingers. I think to use fingers on your face is the best thing that you can do. So it is quite light coverage, and I'm focusing mostly on my cheeks and my under eye area because that is my problem area. So I'm building the product because there are acne marks on my cheeks. I'm putting a second layer of the BB cream, and I've also put a second layer of this BB cream under my eyes because that needs correction and coverage. So as you guys can see, I have not caked up my face. My skin is looking like skin, and you can't even tell that I have put something on my skin, like a tint or something. You can't tell. It's very natural looking. The coverage is quite light. The coverage is quite sheer, in fact, and I quite like that about it. So now we come on to the eyebrows, and for eyebrows I use this pencil by Etude House. It is the shade grey brown. So I'll zoom in for you guys. So firstly I'll nicely brush my eyebrows so that there are no clumps, no nothing, and I have a nice canvas to work on, and this is what it looks like. So blending is really important when you're doing your eyebrows because you don't want those harsh lines to see because they look really bad. So as you guys can see, I have not used a lot of product on this eyebrow, and it still looks a lot better than this one. So I'll quickly do the other eyebrow and I'll speak to you guys soon. So I won't be applying any eyeshadow. I will just use my blush. This blush is from Bobbi Brown in the shade Sand Pink. So I'm applying this blush on my cheeks because I like to have that rosy finish to my cheeks and onto my nose. So taking the same blush, I am putting some on my eyelids, just to give my eyelids some color, and I'm not using any brush for doing this. You can easily do this by using your fingers, and I think fingers or using your hands is a very good technique when you're doing your makeup because it warms up your product, and you know the application is really nice and natural. So that is what I really like about using your hands, using your fingers when you're doing your makeup. So this is a very old lip gloss that I have from Chambord, and it's a natural brown looking color, and it has a lot of shimmer particles in it. And now I'm applying this lip tint from the brand Face Shop. This stuff is really potent, so you need like very little of this product, and you have to be quick. So I'll quickly apply some highlighter on my face, although I don't need it, but why not? I'm using this highlighter from Nykaa. It is Nykaa Gold Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Gold. It is very shimmery, and it quickly highlights your face. So I'll take very little of this product and apply some on my cheeks, on my nose, just to have that natural shine. So if you want, you can stop your makeup now. If you don't want to do your eyes, you can completely skip that step. If you don't like to do your eyes, if you don't like eyeliner, stop your makeup now. But if you are fond of doing eyeliner and eyeshadow like me, I will show you how I do my eye makeup. So this is the makeup look that I have created for you guys. It's a very simple everyday makeup kind of look. You guys try and let me know how you guys like it, and I hope you guys learned something from my video. And if you guys have any recommendations, requests, thoughts on the videos that I'm doing, on the kind of videos that I should do, please, I will be more than happy to receive your feedback, your requests. Thank you so much. And if you guys like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.